Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. This morning we're going to be taking a look at our 2018 Grady-White 307 Freedom. As you can see, the light green hull is optioned with the bow thruster. It does have the windlass, the plow anchor. It has a hard top underneath color to match the hull, which is powder coated. Has rod holders. Has a four-sided enclosure. This boat's equipped with twin 300 Yamahas, trim tabs, boarding ladder, walk-through transom door, and the new engine flush down from Grady-White. Let's go inside and take a look. As we come inside, we'll see this boat is optioned with the refrigerator in the cockpit, sink, cutting board area underneath. Has the aft facing seat, which does come out to a lounge with trash storage behind it, rod holders. Has the big aft drop down seat that Grady-White is famous for. Fish box and transom or core. Live well. A stereo remote in the cockpit. As we come forward, companion seat with the Fusion stereo. The helm area, your controls. Tilt steering wheel. Does have the bolster style helm seat with storage underneath. Boat has a marine head, teak and holly floor with a sink, and it does convert to a bunk area on top of the head. As we go forward to the helm, we do have tackle storage. We have storage under the helm. In there you'll see the table, which goes up forward, the fillers for the head. There is a door. The window comes across in case you get into any weather. Remain safe inside. Forward, large seating areas, high gunnels, speakers forward, windlass tucked underneath the deck, your horn, your wiper, a view from the front. This has been our 2018 307 Grady-White Canyon at Ocean View, New Jersey. Thank you.